Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Dodge Grand Caravan seats using an easy method. First, let's prepare. Gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Ensure your workspace is clear by removing any items from around and under the seats. This step is crucial for safety and efficiency. Position the seats to their most accessible configuration, making sure all mounting points are clearly visible before you begin. Now, let's tackle the second row seats. Each seat is typically secured by 4 mounting bolts to the floor. You'll need your 10mm socket and ratchet for this step. Loosen and remove all 4 bolts completely. Once the bolts are out, carefully lift each seat. These seats can be quite heavy, weighing around 65 pounds, so consider having a second person help you to avoid injury and prevent damage to your vehicle's interior. Moving on to the third row bench seat, which is a bit different. First, fold the seat flat into its stow and go floor storage well. You will then find 4 retaining bolts, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear of the folded seat. For these, you'll typically need a 13mm socket. Remove all 4 bolts. This bench seat is significantly heavier, often weighing over 100 pounds, so definitely enlist the help of a friend to safely lift it out of your Grand Caravan. With your seat successfully removed, let's cover some final tips. It's a good practice to store all the removed bolts and hardware in a clearly labeled bag. This ensures you won't lose any pieces and makes reinstallation much easier later on. Take this opportunity to thoroughly clean the newly exposed floor area. Finally, consider adding a cargo liner or protective mat to shield your vehicle's floor from scratches and spills, especially if you plan to use the space for hauling larger items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.